So as you see, my truck continuously keeps telling me to service trailer brake system. Okay. So, I don't know why it's doing this, but we're 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. I'm trying to get somewhere where I can park real quick. But, so she's constantly doing this. This is very irritating. It just started doing this today. I've tried shutting the truck off, restarting the truck, powering everything down. I unhooked the battery, hooked the battery back up. Nothing has made any change in it doing this. Doesn't even matter if I'm moving. Sorry, I'm trying to back into a parking space here. Doesn't matter if I'm moving or stationary, it does it anyway. Okay, so she's got just over 40,000 miles on it. This truck has been doing this since it had probably around, see, I'm not even moving now, we're in park. So this truck's been doing this since it had around, I'm gonna turn it off now just because that's getting fucking irritating. I want to say 15,000 miles it started doing this. Now, I don't have a trailer. There's no trailer connected to this truck. Okay? So, at around 15,000 miles, this truck started having this problem. I'm going to get out and show you. I do have the but there's no trailer connected to this truck. Okay? So, it's been doing this for the last 25,000 miles. Now, I took it to the dealer and they cannot duplicate the problem. I haven't been able to duplicate the problem readily until just recently. So, I don't know what the hell is up with this. Maybe one of you guys can tell me what's wrong with it. But I love my truck. But that is so freaking annoying. And it usually only does it when I actually have a trailer connected to it. But as of late, it's doing it all the time now. So, I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you think?